In this video, we will show you how to create a professional digital business card in just a few minutes using the Cardiast app. First, open the Cardiast app and log in to your account. When you are on the dashboard, tap the plus icon at the top right corner. Now you will see the Create Card Now option. Simply tap on it. You can create your digital business card in two ways. You can tap on Scan a paper business card to automatically generate your digital card, or you can tap on Enter Data manually to add all your information yourself. In this section, you can upload your profile photo. Tap on the profile image area and you will get 4 options to upload your photo. Take photo, choose photo from phone gallery, uploaded photos, which you already uploaded before, or search photo. After set your profile photo, enter your name, job title, email, and phone number. Then tap on Next. Now you can upload your cover photo the same way using the 4 photo upload options. After that, enter your business name, website, business address, and services that you provide. You will also see a very interesting and useful feature called AI Assistance. If you enable AI Assistance, Cardiast will analyze your business and create perfect content for your digital business card. We recommend keeping this feature enabled for the best results. Next, you will see the card type option. Tap on it and choose the type of your business, such as online shop, insurance agent, or any other service. Then, tap Next and choose your favorite theme to finalize your card. You will see a preview of your digital business card. If everything looks correct, tap on Save Card. Your card is now successfully created and will appear on your dashboard. Now let's see how to change or update your card's data or information. Select the card you want to update. You will see all the information you previously added. To edit or update any details, tap the 3-dot icon at the top right corner and then tap on Edit Card. Here you can change anything you want. To change your profile photo, tap on the profile image and then tap on Change. Again, you will get the same 4 options: Take photo, choose photo, uploaded photo, and search photo. You can update your cover photo the same method. To update any text information such as your name, job title, services, or address, simply tap on the field you want to change, type the new information, and tap Update. Your data will be updated successfully. In this section, you will also find the header action options such as phone, email, WhatsApp, message, and website. To update your phone number, tap on the phone option, enter your number, and Update widget. You can update the remaining options in the same way. If you don't want to keep certain options like email or website, simply tap on that widget and tap Delete this widget. It will be removed instantly. You can also add more social media widgets as needed. Just tap the plus icon in the header action section and select the option you want. You can also add new widgets to your digital card. Tap Add New Widget, select Header Title, and write something like About Us, then tap Save Widget. You can add unlimited widgets and edit them anytime. Cardiast has many useful widgets. For example, the Expandable Area widget lets you add multiple businesses inside one section. The Divider widget helps you create spacing between sections. The Photo widget allows you to add images inside your digital card. And there are also many social media widgets to connect your profiles. All widgets can be moved easily. Just tap and hold, then drag up or down to place them wherever you want. This helps you beautifully organize the layout of your business card. Now let's look at some more exciting features inside your Cardiast digital business card. You can match the card with your brand colors or choose any color you like. To do this, tap on the color option. Here you will see the color wheel, where you can adjust and set any color manually. You can also pick colors directly from your cover photo or from your profile photo. After that, you can explore the theme section. Tap on theme and choose your favorite design from the multiple theme variations available. You can always tap on preview to see how your updated card looks. Next, tap on the settings option. Here you will find the privacy settings where you can see web view status. If this is enabled, anyone can view your card from any web browser, even if they are not using the Cardiast app. If it is disabled, then only the Cardiast app users will be able to see your digital business card. You will also find the SEO status. If enabled, your card can appear on search engines, making it easier for clients or anyone else to find your business card online. In the General section, you will see the Custom URL feature where you can set your own personalized card link. There is also a Custom Domain option that allows you to use your own domain for your digital card. Then, there is the Sharing Message option, where you can write a nice intro message that receivers will see when you share your card link. One of the most important features here is the lead or prospect capture form. If this option is enabled, anyone who views your card will be captured as a lead. You can also set the form title easily according to your choice. In the push notification section, you can choose how you want to receive notifications such as card views or visitor activity alerts for this card. If you ever need to delete your card, you will find the Delete this card option at the bottom. Simply tap it to remove your digital card. That's it. With all these features, you can beautifully customize every detail of your digital business card very easily using the Cardiast app.